Imagine spending 6 hours creating a YouTube video, like editing it, adding music, writing the perfect description, and then uploading it only for nobody to click. The painful truth is, most videos don't fail because they are bad. They fail because the thumbnail doesn't make people stop scrolling. And today I'm going to be showing you the thumbnail mistakes that quietly kills your YouTube video. Hello you guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. On here I teach you how to grow here on YouTube with my experience that I've got over building 5 YouTube channels which I currently run, and 4 of them are monetized from 2021 or since 2021. If you want to hear all of those good gist and all of those things that can actually help you build your own YouTube channel, whether as an existing YouTuber or a new YouTuber on the YouTube space, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and if you have questions about growing here on YouTube, do not forget to ask me in the comment section. So let's dive right into the video. So some of the mistakes that you make when it comes to making your own thumbnail is that, number one, you add too much text. One of the biggest thumbnail mistakes is trying to fit an entire sentence onto the image. Like, remember, most people watch YouTube video on their phone. If your text is tiny, nobody's going to read it. Keep your thumbnail text short and bold, right? 3 to 5 powerful words are usually enough, so don't overcrowd your thumbnail, and make sure the texts are bold enough for people to instantly feel and read it. If you do this, your thumbnail is going to be instantly attractive to your potential audience, and it's going to result to a very high click-through rate. Also, I have dropped a practical video on how to actually create a YouTube thumbnail step by step. I am going to leave the link to that video in the description box, so when you are done watching this one, you can go ahead and check out that video. Number 2 mistake a lot of creators make is too many colors. Like, some creators think using every color possible makes the YouTube thumbnail attractive. Actually, it only makes it confusing and conflicting to your audience. Choose 2 or 3 main colors that stands out and keep your design clean. A simple thumbnail is often more powerful than a very busy one. Like, you don't want to overcrowd your thumbnail or be putting conflicting colors that don't even align with each other on the thumbnail. It is going to confuse and conflict your audience, right? Number 3 thumbnail mistake that most creators make is that the thumbnail doesn't match the title. Your thumbnail and your title should work together. Don't repeat exact words that is on your title on your thumbnail, or on your thumbnail on your title. Instead, let the thumbnail create curiosity while the title explains the topic. Think of them as a team. They are not supposed to be conflicting each other, right? They are supposed to be working hand in hand in helping your videos get the highest click-through rate possible. So make sure that one is doing one job, another is doing another job, not 2 of them doing one job, right? I don't know if you get that. Okay, so number 4 mistake a lot of YouTube creators make when it comes to doing their thumbnail is using low quality image. Like, if you want to use image, make sure the image is clear, make sure the image is of high quality, right? Blurry image instantly make your video looks less professional. So even if your information is amazing, people judge your video before they ever click it. In order for you to get that click-through rate that you are aspiring for, that you want to get on your videos, make sure you use clear photos, sharp screenshots, or high quality graphics. Like, there are a lot of apps that do this. If you are a beginner YouTuber and you don't know how to do any of this, you can actually pay a professional to do this thumbnail for you, or you can actually go and use any of these free apps out there that can actually help you to create a very good thumbnail. Okay, I also render thumbnail services to new YouTubers or existing YouTubers. So if you want me to do that for you, kindly go ahead and send me an email, which is going to be in the description box. Of course, it's for a fee. Your thumbnail is very important when it comes to your videos, and you do not want to make that mistake when it comes to creating a very good thumbnail for your video, right? Number 5 mistake a lot of creators make is not adding emotional trigger. Like, your YouTube thumbnail is supposed to have emotional triggers that will actually make people click because they feel something, right? Curiosity, excitement, shock, hope, or they ask themselves some certain questions, right? Now ask yourself, what emotional or what emotion will someone feel when they see this thumbnail? the thumbnail you are practically wanting to use right now? What emotions would they feel when they see the thumbnail? If the answer is nothing, it probably needs improvement, or it probably needs improvement. Okay, so just make sure that you are doing the right thing. Before publishing your video, shrink that thumbnail until it is about the size that appears on your phone screen, because a lot of your audience are going to be watching your videos from their phone. Now, can you clearly understand it? If not, simplify it. Remember, a thumbnail should communicate in less than 2 seconds. Like, if somebody just sees it, it shouldn't be more than 2 seconds for the person to understand what the thumbnail is talking about. It shouldn't be more than 2 seconds for the person to have the emotional curiosity to click on that video. It shouldn't be more than 2 seconds for the person to want to watch that video, to have that, persistent to want to watch that video. So make sure that you are doing all of these things, and you are going to see an improvement in your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. People can't watch a video they never clicked. So instead of improving your editing, spend more time improving your thumbnail, right? It is completely going to change your channel. Don't forget to like this video, because I know, of course, that you've enjoyed every piece of it. Do not forget to also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have questions about your YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to do a one-on-one section with you, teaching you how to grow using my 5 YouTube channels that I've monetized 4 out of it, all of this experience to actually help you grow and monetize your YouTube channel within 3 months, also send me a message with the email address in the description box. If you want me to help you manage your thumbnail or create thumbnails for your YouTube channel, I do that for a fee. Kindly go ahead and also send an email. My email address is in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.